guys, today we will be making a collab with Gary Backos. He's from TikTok. He's Gary Backos. He's my grandpa. So yeah, let's go. Hey. Last place na.
Meron dito tayong dalawa.
Sure. Got my camera.
What?
Got my camera. Already recording. Hey.
Magandang tanghali po, peace. Hello, sa inyo din po, magandang tanghali din. Bahay na po mga Kuya Marbs, hello. Ito po, may bisita ako dito. Ayan, apo ko. Ayan. Say hi to them.
Hi.
Hello, what's your name?
Calvin.
Calvin?
I'm currently recording.
Yan. Hi, Surami. Giancarlo, hello. Yan. Oh, hi, Surami.
Hi.
Ganyan din yung ako ng bata eh. Pinamitas lang ako ng munggo nung maliit eh. Hello, Nor. Hello, Paulo. Oo nga po. I'd say, Marvin, Marbs, always say, talk to them. Ngayon na pa nagna-nosebleed eh. Nosebleed na, nosebleed. Good afternoon, Kap. Hello po. Medyo umuwi muna ako. Po. Yan. MJ Admin, thank you po. Jojo. Can you speak Tagalog? Hello, baby. Say hi.
Hi.
You greet every name you see that screen. Hi, Sean. Thank you for joining. Pakibol. Hello po, everybody. Do you have a TikTok?
Huh?
You have a TikTok account?
No, I only have YouTube.
What?
I only have YouTube account, but
Ano ka po, Diyos ko?
I do
Kanina po. Kanina po, galing po tayo kay Biscuit. Yan.
I'm
Yeah. You recording our live today?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Hello, Sean. Yan. Medyo masama ang panahon ngayon. Medyo may bagyo. Ingat-ingat na naman tayo. Gloria Vicente, hello po. Marivic, hello po. Apo, dudugo ilong sa akin dito. Kasi hindi niya maintindihan sinasabi ko. Harry John, hello. They are we call our katambay, kaptambayan.
Tambayan.
Yeah.
Ano ba yan?
Ha?
Ano ba yan?
Ano ba yan? Kaptambayan.
Kat batayan?
Can you read that, Tagalog? Sige nga, sasakit ulo ko dyan. You say it.
Sasakit ulo ko kaya.
Ulo ko dyan. How old are you? You look at the camera. Yun.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Hello po, Dina Miguel. Do you remember how old are you?
I'm 7.
Yung Tagalog, 7.
Pito.
Pito. Yeah, pito.
Ay, pito. It's pito.
Gamit ng mga polis, pito. Pag nagtatraffic, pito. Hi, Clayfoot. Hello po. Yan.
By the way, what's that dog's name again?
Yeah, what again? Again?
That dog's name. What's his name?
Dog's name? Didoy.
Didoy?
Didoy,
Wow.
yeah.
Wow, such a colorful
Yeah, boy, Didoy.
name. Wow. You should have named him Rambo.
If the dog is boy, Didoy.
He
If
looks
girl,
like...
Deday.
Then what about Boy Boy? What? Is he non-gender?
That's one is boy.
Now he's looking at me.
Because he's a boy. If it's a girl, baby. Oy, pay. Hello, no? They are laughing at us, huh?
Okay, you know how many people are even watching this?
I don't know. Just read. Pito. Galing po siya sa Canada. Doon sa pinanganak. Are you pure Canadian or what?
Here, and YouTube people, if someone goes live in YouTube, they could donate money to them. Can people on
No,
TikTok?
we're not donating money here. We're just chatting.
Oh, so on TikTok they don't? Because that's what YouTube does.
No, we're just chatting then because we're friends. Just what I said. Christian Carlo.
Oh, Kristen Carlo.
Thank you for liking the live.
Zurami, thank you for
Clark.
Hi, Clark.
Please follow, like, and share. You tell them. My Lola Gary's TikTok.
My Lola Gary is TikTok and Facebook. Thank you, Zerami. Thank you, Zerami, for liking again.
Please.
Thank you, Zerami, for liking again.
Rami, ano daw?
Meron pong
I am
may mga
Kim,
malaki na
me,
Kimi, Antonio Sporla. Yan.
Asbel, Joy,
Yan, Christian Carlo. Yan.
Zerami again.
may malaki.
How many times is Zerami even gonna?
He's stabbing.
Mary J. Thank you, Christian Carlo again.
Yeah, that's my friend.
Hi, Henry. Hi, Henry.
You must read everybody's name if they show the screen
Talaga matibay.
so they can appreciate. Alexander Bapti.
Zerami like the line.
Matutulog na ako.
Salamat, Alexandra.
Yan. Cute ng apo. Ganyan din tsura ko nung bata ko. Pinanguha lang ako ng kamatis eh. Sa tubigan, kaya nangitim. Hi, Ate Perla.
Wait, let me say something to the live, okay?
What?
Mataba ng tatay ko.
Yeah. Hi, Hansa. Thank you.
Hi po.
8-7.
Ganyan din tsura ko. Kutis ko nung bata ko eh. Wala eh. Pinanguha ko ng munggo eh. Sa tubigan eh. Yan. Nangitim tuloy ako.
10-47.
Hi, Joe Kawa.
Joe Kawa, yeah. Later we go to Surami and biscuit. We buy a biscuit.
Oh, okay.
Sweet biscuit, biscuit.
Biscuit, what is from Cluck is a biscuit.
Siyempre sa lolo. Apo po, apo. Lyrical, hello.
Ganito na po yata ngayon yung labas.
Turn the lights low.
Hi.
Tinatog.
Hi, Gray 8.
Pero ano yun, nakasi kasi
What time is it?
1999.
You tell your friend you're live at TikTok.
Huh?
Shout out. Hello po, biscuit. Hello po, Inday Sara. Hello. Say, biscuit. Hello, Inday Sara.
Biscuit and Sar.
Thank you for joining.
Thank you for joining.
Yan po online, yung po yung kay Dad.
Hello. Kumain na po ba kayo? Kumain na po. Yan. Ask them if they already eat na. Because it's early.
Kumain mo.
Kumain na po ba kayo? Inday. Oh, Jen.
Kumain mo.
The English na lang. English.
You eat. But don't eat too much. Don't be like my dad. Because mataba ng tatay ko. I just said that in front of how many people are even watching the live?
I think 1,000.
I just said that in front of 1,000 people. Where's my dad? Oh, there.
Is that the mango sweet?
No.
No?
19.
Pagod. You're live? You're recording our video?
I'm not live. I'm just recording.
Recording. Then, Juliet Paras, hello po. Rami, always liking the live.
Jeremy, how many times have you liked it? You play chess, Miss Perla.
Do you play chess?
Yes,
Okay.
a bit.
Sports? Taekwondo?
Yeah, I do taekwondo. I used to do Canadian Muay Thai. I graduated Canadian Muay Thai early.
We don't do taekwondo here in the Philippines.
I do taekwondo here.
We use only peace.
Huh?
Peace only.
No, we use foot. We use fist and foot. While I use
Our favorite sport here in the Philippines is, you know what?
What?
Suntukan.
What about Cali? What about Cali?
Yeah. I say, you read that. I'll give you one chessboard set.
Okay, Miss Perla. Oh wow, your nose is already getting. Oh no, your nose is already bleeding. Wow. Why? Why is that possible?
Our favorite sports in the Philippines is not taekwondo, you know?
What is it then?
You know what is our favorite Filipino? Suntukan, gulpian.
What the? This is,
Fist fight. Bare knuckle fight.
you know, can I tell you my, sir?
Eling. Babagan. You call that babagan, suntukan. In other province, they call babagan. Here in Cavite, suntukan.
In emergency, I use my fist, my
Say hi, JJ. Oh, hi, JJ.
Hi, JJ.
How are you, Mom? Ask them if they're alright, if they already eat.
Did you already eat?
Yeah.
But don't eat too much.
Why?
Don't be like my dad. He's mataba.
Yeah. All these sounds. Yeah. JJ said, no. You know what he's saying? Heart me.
Okay.
Yeah.
I would use if someone were to attack me. If someone were to attack me, I would use my fist, my elbows, my shins, my knees, and my feet to defend myself.
Oh no, dito, here in the Philippines, we just only use this fist.
I use my foot, my shins, my knees, my elbows, and my fist. While my other grandma, my dad.
You wanna talk to Sarami? Sarami is very good in English also, yeah.
While my grandpa, not you, okay, not you.
Okay.
While my grandpa, my dad's dad uses the whole Navy Army.
Ling may tao?
Like I use my body.
Hello.
Hi, Winston. I use my whole body. I use my fists, my elbows, my shins,
Shout
my
out
knees.
Sarami eh. Sarami wanna talk to you eh.
Hi, Sarami. Wait, what the heck?
What the heck?
For some reason, I thought the cat that Winston did,
Don't touch
was
anything ha? Oo nga, Sarami.
Sarami.
My Apo wants to talk to you. Ayan. Kuya Jun.
Hi, JJ. Hi, good job. Hi, AKO2. Hi,
I'm going to talk someone. You talk to them here in TikTok Live. Mga kaibigan, mga katambay, iwanan ko muna kay Sapo ko at may bisita lang po ako saglit at kausapin. Makipagkwento kayo, lalo na kayo dyan. Sarami yan. You ask them, whatever you want. So, is it alright? Is it okay if you replace Lolo Gary here? Ask them. You wanna? No, is it okay if I replace Lolo Gary here? Ask them.
Up for a game of rock, paper, scissors?
Ask them if Lolo Gary is busy. Yeah. I'm going to talk to somebody.
Okay.
You talk to them. Ask them. Is it okay if I sit here while Lolo's not?
Is it okay if I sit there while Lolo's gone?
Ay, ala. Yeah, someone wants to talk to si Biscuit.
Biscuit,
Yan.
Biscuit and Sarah 08. My name is Calvin.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Ask them.
Is it okay for me to sit here while Lolo Gary isn't here? Yeah, he doesn't even exist anymore. Hello. How do you get my name right? How did you spell my name right? Here guys, up for a game of rock, paper, 7. Biscuit and Sarah. What grade am I, Calvin? Dalawa. I'm grade 2.
Oh yeah, talk to si Biscuit.
Huh? Okay. Hi. Hi, Yumi Dark.
Diyan lang sa gilid pupunta. Baka naalala ko kasi baka mamaya magalit mo.
Guys, up for a game of rock, paper, scissors? Rock, paper, scissors, M16 rifle. Gotcha. I won. what grade am I now? Who's with me? Who's with me? Mom, dad, not. Who's with me? Who's with me? Nanay, tatay, tita, lola, what? Oh, Mama Lani. Here. So just for yes, I'm already in the second grade already. Here, just to entertain you guys, yes, I'm good in class, Neil. Just to entertain you guys, I'm gonna say the whole list of guns. At least what I know. Glock 27, Glock 19, AK-47, AK-27. Glock, M16 rifle. Where am I studying? Home. What the strum collect just happened? Huh? What the strum collect just happened? What? Okay, you know what the strum collect is? Lolo Dari? When's your birthday? Ah, shoot. January 1. January 1. January 1. What year? Lagari. Okay, 19. 19. Oh, sorry, 1974.
Bawal pala?
That's gone wrong.
What do you like? Well, okay.
Huh?
Okay. Inihingihan pa siya ng mga
Yeah,
ID.
fair. Up for a game of rock, paper, scissors? Rock, paper, scissors, Glock 19. Rock, paper, scissors, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Rock, paper, scissors, Glock 19 to your forehead. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, God.
Makukulit ka na nga lang, naka-warning. Sa Facebook naman, yung mga kanta. Okay
You're in my mouth. Let me put you in my nose now.
Ano ba siya parang sa ano ba? Madali yung ulo mo ah. Ako dito. Hindi, bakit? Ako, hinanap ko lang yun. Wala, ba't hindi mo na tinignan? Ako mo na doon. Wala nga eh. Yun lang eh. Hindi mo naman ako masyado. Hindi lang take one. Kaya ilang oras yun? 2 hours? Kaya ko, alam mo yung mga court lang yung basket. At okay.
Kilala dati sa
Oo, di ba? Yung sa sarado. Ayun lang, bakit malabo? Yun lang nakakaano, bakit malabo kasi na siguro. Ba't pa ako tapos na? Tapos pa naman yata na ano. Ang nasa na kayo. Kaya pwede naman. Kung malaki ang pagbibigyan ko, malaking gawin. Kasi may napunta sa mga bata. Yung mga ganun, yung mga extra. Nakadali naman. Walang hindi, walang extra.
Hindi naman inaano namin. Wala sa mga kaibigan. Kasi nga ako, meron ako pang video ko isa. Meron pa 3 sobra.
Ganun.
Nebulay ko rin sa amin 3 sobra.
Ay, wala naman yung extra. Hindi, kunyari, hindi niya nakita. Kaya, kunyari, nakita niya saan. Nakita. Ay, wala na. Hindi na. Napakadami ng kung ano ng bagay meron siya. Baka 3 mga bagay. Yung sabi sa isang item, marami. Kala ko naman yung isa. Yung mga nebulizer eh. Kunyari ka. Kasi para mga, sila ba dedinig? Ulo. Napakadami ulo nga.
Okay, sorry about that, guys. Bye.